7, and then we're going to go what? Down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and write 1, 2, 3. Y'all with me? Yes? Can I go down 4 and write 3 again? No, because I don't have any more room. But that's okay, because how many points does it take to make a line? It only takes 2. So take your straight edge. Let's put it through. Remember, we're dealing with inequality, so we're not going to be quick to draw this line. We got to think about what our rules said. What did our rules say? It said y is less than or equal to. So am I going to have a solid or a dotted line? Solid. So I'm going to have a solid line. I'm going to take a solid line and put it through all my points. Solid. Now what does that tell me? It tells me that every point that falls on this line is going to make my sentence true. Are y'all with me? Now, you told me that symbol was y is less than. Where are the values less? Above or below? Below. And what was this line about? The first line was about pounds. This line is about dollars. And what was that maximum amount she wanted to spend? 21. So everything on this line gonna come out to be how much money? $21. Why? Because that's the criteria. Are y'all with me? Everything on this line gonna end up costing us what? $21. Anything above that line is gonna cost us more than 21. Anything below that line is gonna cost us less than 21. But let's do some things before we start shading. I want you to find me another point on that line. Give me a point on that line. 2, 4, right? 2 up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Not quite. It's off a little bit. The point is going to be 3, 2, 3, 3. Y'all see that? Y'all see the point 3, 3? 4, 2. 4, 2 is way off. This is 4. This is 2. That point is right there. Can we all agree that the point 3, 3 falls on the line? Okay, so let's put 3, 3. Let's check 3, 3 on the back. Turn it over. Let's test 3, 3. Why are we doing this? We're trying to see if the points on the line actually make the sentence true. If it do, then that means we should have had a solid. We did have a solid line. That was correct. If it doesn't, that means we should not have a solid line. All right, so let's go. We got 4x plus 3y. Stay with me, Nate. Is less than or equal to 21. What am I going to write, people? 4 times 3 plus 3 times 3 is less than or equal to 21. 4 times 3? 12. 3 times 3? 9. Less than or equal to what? 21. What's 12 plus 9? I don't know, Miss Stampley. 21 is less than or equal to 21. How I knew that was going to be 21 before I even added that? Because it was on the what? Line. So if it's on the line, it's going to have to come out to be how much money? $21. Everything over here was about the pounds. Everything over here is about the what? Money. Are y'all with me? Yes? Is everybody following? All right? All right. So let's pick another point. Give me one more point on this line. A clean one. 0, 7, right? Yes? 0, 7. Y'all see that? Let's test it out. We don't got that much time. Let's do 0, 7. So 0, 7. 4 times 0 plus 3 times 7 less than or equal to 21. 4 times 0 is 4. Oh, you're right. Look at me. 4 times 0 is 0. 3 times 7 is 21. 0 plus 21 is less than or equal to 21. And what's 0 plus 21? 21. So the points on the line actually come out to be how much? $21. So what's this? So what's the option? If I want to spend exactly $21, what could I buy? What could I buy? What combination could I buy? I could buy 3 pounds of blueberries and 3 pounds of strawberries. That's going to come out to be exactly what? $21. Or I can buy no blueberries and then buy what? 7 pounds of strawberries. That'll come out to be exactly what? 21. That's my only two options, really. Are y'all following me? Now I can get like partial pounds, right? Half pounds or something. But as far as whole pounds, that's all we got. Are y'all with me? All right, now let's finish this, because remember, this is an inequality, so we're not done. Because we're looking for, remember, when it's a system, you're looking for what they have in common. So we got to finish this one. So now this rule said y is less than or equal to. So we got a solid line, which means or equal to. Now let's do the less than. So grab your colored pencil that I just gave you. We are looking for a combination that is less than $21. Are y'all with me? Yes? So where am I going to shade? Above or below? Below. So watch what I do. I'm going to trace and then shade. Y'all with me? I'm going to trace my line first. I'm just tracing my line right up under it. I'm tracing my line. Everybody see what I'm doing? I'm tracing my line, and then I'm going to extend it out. I'm just going to keep doing that same trace, but I'm going to follow it all the way out. Everything. All the way. I'm not going to stop at that other line. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to follow it all the way out. I'm going to trace it all the way out. I'm going to trace it all the way out. Does everybody see that? Yes? All right. Now, I'm talking about the orange on mine, the shaded for the second one. Give me a point that is in the shaded region. Any point in the orange in the shaded region. 3, 2. Right 3, up 2. So let's look. Right 3, up 2. Is 3, 2 in the shaded region? Yes? Yes, let's test it. So we got 4x plus 3y is less than or equal to 21. And we're going to test the point 3, 2. Right? All right? 3, 2. 4 times 3 plus 3 times 2 is less than or equal to 21. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 2 is 8. Is less than or equal to 21. Oh, sorry, babies. Thank you. 6. So now what's 12 plus 6? 18 is less than or equal to 21. True or false? True. How much will it cost me to buy 3 pounds of blueberries and 2 pounds of strawberries? It will cost me what? 3 pounds of blueberries and 2 pounds of strawberries will cost me what? $18. Are y'all following? Yes? All right. What about 1, 1? Is that in my solution region? Is the point 1, 1 in my solution region? Yes. So let's test it. Let's test. 4 times 1 plus 3 times 1 is less than or equal to 21. What's 4 times 1? 4. What's 3 times 1? 3 is less than or equal to 21. What's 4 plus 3? 7 is less than or equal to 21. So what does that tell me? Is it true or false? It's true. So could I buy 1 pound of strawberries, 1 pound of blueberries and 1 pound of strawberries and meet that second condition? Yes. But will it meet the first condition? No. Right? So anything in the orange will meet the second condition. It's going to be under $21. Anything on this, from this line up, anything from this line up is going to meet the first condition. It's going to be 3 pounds or more. Are y'all with me? What are we looking for? We're looking for the things that meet both conditions. What area do I see that fits both conditions? The orange and the gray. It's the middle. Does everybody see that? Right here. It got both shadings in here. Are y'all with me? That is what they have in common. I want you to write this down at the bottom of your paper. I want you to put overlapping region. Right? Overlapping region. What does overlapping region mean? It's the area where they overlap. Are y'all following me? Do everybody agree that the overlapping region is in the middle? Yes? So take your pencil, and very lightly, I'm going to darken this area. This is my solution region. Anything in this area is a solution to my system. Does everybody see that? Yes? Anything in the gray is only a solution to my first part. They're going to be more than 3 pounds. Anything in the plain orange is only going to be a solution to the second one. It's going to be less than $21. But anything in the middle is going to be both 3 or more pounds and less than or equal to $21. Does that make sense? Yes? All right. So give me a point from that area. Give me a point from my solution region. 3-2. Do we all agree 3-2 is in the solution region? Yes, absolutely. Is there another point that we can find in that solution region? 5-1. Here's 5-1. 1-5. Right 1 up 5. Yes, 1-5 is in our solution region. You got to walk to the tree before you can climb it. Walk first. Walk before you climb. First number is a walk. Okay? All right, give me one more. 4-1. 4, absolutely. Does everybody see that? It's close, but 4-1 is right there. Right? All right, I like that one. Let's try 4-1. We didn't use that one yet. Let's go 4-1. What are we going to do right now? We're going to check to see if it's a solution to our system. And in order for it to be a solution to our system, it has to make both sentences true. All right? So 4-1 is what we're testing. 4-1 will let me know everything in the middle works. Right? All right, so give me my first inequality. It was x plus y is greater than or equal to 3. And my second inequality was x plus y is less than or equal to 21. Y'all ready? Let's go. Tell me what to write. 4 plus 1 is greater than or equal to 3. What's 4 plus 1? 5 is greater than or equal to 3. True or false? True. So it makes the first one true. But in order to be a solution to the system of inequalities, you got to make both true. All right, so let's look at this one. What do we have? What do we got? What am I going to write? Oh, I wrote the same thing twice? What else was I supposed to put? 4x plus 3y. All right, help me out. 4 times 4 plus 3 times 1 is less than or equal to 21. What's 4 times 4? 16. What's 3 times 1? 3 is less than or equal to 21. What's 16 plus 3? It's real close, but it is definitely less than 21. And did it make our second sentence true? Yes. So since it made both of our sentences true, then that means it is a solution to our system of inequalities. Is everybody good on that? Any questions? All right, so I need you to write for me at the bottom a solution sentence. And you can't write the same sentence that I write. My solution sentence is going to say, you can buy 4 pounds of blueberries and 1 pound of strawberries. That's what that means. 4-1 means just that. Now, you find an ordered pair, just one, other than the one that we got here. You find any other ordered pair that's in our solution region, and you write me a solution sentence for it. Find me a point in our solution region and write me a solution for it. A solution sentence. You can buy Can you stop that?